Everyone, so in this video we are doing some icicle nails. I did them last year when I was a total beginner and the video was pretty popular, but I'm going to do them again this year with a little bit of experience under my belt and see what we come up with. In the last video I did nail glue and I used saran wrap, which was fine, but it's not exactly that beginner friendly. So this time I'm just using a different product and we're going to see how this works instead. And I'm going to use this without using the saran wrap and see how it turns out. I'm applying this fairly thin simply because I don't want it to be too thick underneath the nail. And I'm just going to poke it to create that icicle look. See, already looks good. And I like that. I'm just gonna leave it. Cute. So that's how it looks already. So now I'm gonna cure that. And I got this off of Temu. As I've said in other videos, I'm just showing you the products that I'm using. I'm not necessarily recommending them because I don't know the ingredients or the formulation, so I don't know the safety of the products. So I'm just showing what I'm using as a still new to nail art person, nail art enthusiast, until I can afford more expensive product, obviously. So this is how it looks after being cured. I think it looks really good. And now we're gonna put it back on the nail stand and make it look like an icicle. Okay, so next we're using some blue jelly. Again, all Temu products here. And I'm just doing down the icicle. I'm gonna stop before I get to that edge right there. I'm gonna do a nice thin layer because you wanna see the icicle through the blue. The last time I did this, I didn't have blue jelly and I had to make my own with blue and clear. It turned out well, but this looks way better. Now we're gonna do the bottom white part, the bottom white. Now I'm gonna paint the bottom white. And again, we're not gonna do it obviously all the way. We're not gonna cover our blue, but we're gonna paint it up just enough and then we're gonna soften the edge with a sponge, kind of like an ombre. So now, using my sponge, I'm just gonna soften that edge to make it look like snow. Pretty. Cute. And now we cure. And I'm just going to do, because I'm doing a snowflake on the bottom, I'm just going to do a little bit more white, but I'm not going to go all the way up. And then we're going to ombre it again. Or sponge it in. I don't know. Sponge it in. Cute. I think that looks really good. Now I'm going to do a snowflake, but because I find doing art on a matte surface easier, I'm going to do a matte top coat and cure that for 60 seconds. So it looks crazy right now, but trust the process. So I'm going to use some blue gel paint. I'm going to do a nice little snowflake. Oops. That was a little big. That's okay, we'll make it work. If I don't like it, I'll just wipe it off and start again. Because again, that's the beauty of using a matte top coat, is you can do that. Now we just draw our little lines. I think we might have to start this one again. We'll see. Also, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that like button and please consider subscribing for more fun nail art. Be honest, I don't love that. Let's do it again. Get that off. Let's do that again. Let's do this again. Make it a bit smaller. This already looks so much better. Yay. Okay, that looks so much better. Oh my goodness. Now let's cure it. So this already looks so good, but now we're going to top coat it to bring back the icicle look. Yay. Oh, that looks so good. Let's cure it. This looks so much better than my original. I'm really, really, really happy with how this turned out. Okay, let's see the full set. So this is the full set. Tell me what you think in the comments, and thank you so much for watching. Again, if you've made it this far in the video, please consider subscribing and don't forget to hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.